What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So now I wanna show you the Huawei camera app. Yes, the Huawei camera app. Let me just bring my Aladdin. Okay, now here's my Aladdin. Can you see? Here's the camera app. Okay, maybe let me bring this one to demonstrate. Yeah, can you see? This is the camera app. So now the AI is off, as you can see. This is how it captured the picture. Let me turn on the AI. Now the AI is on. Let us view the picture. This picture is with AI. Okay, let me turn off the AI. I love the AI. Okay, let me turn off the flash also. Can you see? Let me capture a portrait. Let me make her stand like this. Maybe something like this. Look at it, look at it. Look at it. This portrait is quite good. The main purpose of this video is showing you the AI app. Go to the setting. There's so much setting. Mute, timer, touch capture, volume button, ultra. Okay, but I want to show you the videos first I want to show you more. Here is panorama, HDR, 3D, download, document scan, filter. Here you can turn on the filter as you want. Time-lapse, watermark, you can add your name, but video is something cool. If you press the beautification mode on, you can easily beautify someone, but you can only record in 720p, as you can see. If you want to record in 4K with the rear camera, front facing camera, okay, you need to turn off the beautification mode and click the 4K file size. Let me switch the camera. As you can see, that is me. Yeah, go to the setting. I can record again. I think the beautification mode is on. Let me turn off the beautification mode. Now I can record in 4K with the selfie camera. Isn't this cool? There's so much this app. Literally. Let me go to the aperture. Here I can control the aperture as I want. So yeah, this was the camera app. It was me, Jimmy Geek. Subscribe and bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي